This is a truly exciting time in our industry. Cloud computing has the opportunity and the capability to truly transform our industry, your businesses, our business, and deliver on the promise of innovation for business. This is really what we are trying to accomplish. It is not about technology, it is about what we do for the business and how we transform your business. I've been involved with IBM's cloud strategy for the last 3 years, and I'm extremely excited to have this opportunity to share it with you. You saw a slightly more complex version of this a minute ago. This is a consistent framework by which we will describe all of our cloud capabilities. We will work and we will have capability at all 3 levels of the cloud stack: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software or business process as a service. On the left, you see what we talk about as the IBM Cloud Foundations. These are the hardware, software, and services implementation for standing up and building and running private clouds within your enterprise. So this is what we do from our systems group, software group, and services to help clients run private clouds. But what you will see is a much tighter integration and packaging and make it easier for you to consume the capability and still make the choices that you need. The second part of the offering set is the IBM Smart Cloud Services. This is where IBM is managing and hosting the environment for both infrastructure and platform as a service. We are using this to transform our own business. We have our strategic outsourcing business, our hosting business, and our application on demand business. All of those will be transformed internally to IBM using the Smart Cloud Services platform. And that same platform will be made available to our clients for innovation and to our partners for innovation. And the final section is the IBM Smart Cloud Solutions. The Smart Cloud Solutions is really our software group and our business services, bringing together complex solutions for specific targeted industries or application suites. It may be, we'll talk a little more about smarter cities or smarter commerce, but these are complete solutions built and running on the IBM Smart Cloud Services. What's unique about IBM, and I think the discussion that we really want to have, the fact that we are looking at solutions and delivering software as a service and delivering real cloud solutions informs us on what we need the services platform to look like. What do we need it to do? What are the real requirements? How do we deliver that in a secure and efficient manner? In turn, that changes what we invest in around the platform, but what we learn at the platform informs how we should drive our investments for the hardware components, for the software, and how we need to integrate this to actually drive the productivity and the operational efficiency. So the fact that IBM, when we talk about cloud, it's a very broad definition, is truly unique, and it's also a choice. We will work with you in whatever model makes sense for your enterprise, unlike many of our competitors who I believe will have 1 or maybe 2, but never all 3 of these options. And we believe this is a great benefit to both you and to us. I've been talking about the platform, and again, I've said, we are differentiated, and what IBM is trying to do is provide breadth, provide choice, and support open ecosystems. We are very active in this. It's a very real activity. This particular example is around a body that we have pulled together called the Cloud Standards Customer Council. We bring many of our clients and other enterprises together to understand what they think is important to enable choice, and then use that information to work with the standard bodies and adjust what we're doing, what the standard bodies are doing, and then make sure that our platform truly enables choice. This is very active and real. I think many of our competitors talk to this, but I think you'll find this a very exciting opportunity, and I encourage any of you to get involved in this as you can. I have just a few more slides. I think I mentioned ecosystem. The ecosystem we take at many levels. We have partners at the technology level. We have partners that we are enabling as service providers. We have partners that are application providers. And finally, we have infrastructure providers as well as cloud integration services. So I think it's a wonderful example of the breadth of our ecosystem, both partners, ISVs, channel partners, and technology partners. And you'll see this grow and enrich over time. Finally, I'd like to comment on, this is truly global. The capability I've described, we have labs around the world that can work with you and your enterprises on implementation. We have globally deployed Smart Cloud Enterprise to the US, Europe, Japan, and Asia. And we are now in the process of deploying Enterprise Plus, again, through US, Europe, Japan, and Asia over the course of the first half of 2012. So the capability at the infrastructure level, the capability at the platform as a service level will be available both in the foundations and components, but also as a managed service globally. So we're thrilled, excited. It's been a long journey. I personally first was involved in this in 2008, back in the concept phase to my first chart. And to see this now into an implementation phase and driving real value for business is very exciting to me. I've seen the work that the team here in Japan is doing, and I look forward to working with all of you on making cloud real for your business and your enterprise. Thank you.